Most people don't fail because they're not talented. They fail because they never learn to trust the one voice inside that actually matters, their own. This is the story of a person who discovered that voice the hard way. Ethan was the kind of person everyone underestimated, including himself. Not because he wasn't smart. Not because he wasn't capable. But because he never believed he deserved success. Every time he wanted to try something new, his mind whispered, "What if you fail? What if people laugh? What if you're not good enough?" So he lived safely, quietly, comfortably, but painfully far from the life he secretly wished for. One day, after losing yet another opportunity, simply because he didn't speak up, Ethan sat alone in his room, staring at his reflection, not angry, not sad, just tired. Tired of being his own enemy? That night, something shifted. He asked himself a question that changed everything. What would happen if, for once, I believed in myself more than my fear? The next morning, Ethan made a decision. Not a big one, not a dramatic one, just one simple promise. For the next 30 days, I will act as if I believe in myself, even if I don't. Day 1. He spoke up in a meeting, his voice shaking, hands trembling, but he did it. Day 4. He applied for a small project he normally wouldn't dare try. Day 11. He took feedback without taking it personally. Day 17. He recorded his first video. Not perfect, not polished, but real. Every day he took one small step. And something magical happened. His brain, slowly but surely, began to trust him. Because confidence isn't built by success. It's built by action. But the true test came on day 29. He was invited to present an idea in front of a large audience. Old Ethan would have panicked. Old Ethan would have made excuses. Old Ethan would have said, "Let someone else do it." But this new Ethan, he walked onto that stage, like a man who had finally made peace with himself. He felt his heartbeat pounding like a drum. He felt fear crawling up his spine. But then he remembered something he wrote on a small sticky note the night before. Fear is loud, but your potential is louder if you let it speak. For the first time in his life, Ethan trusted himself. And that trust turned into clarity. Clarity turned into confidence. And confidence turned into a presentation that changed his entire career. Ethan didn't succeed because he became fearless. He succeeded because he finally understood a simple truth. Self-belief doesn't come before action. It comes because of action. You don't wait for confidence. You build it. One uncomfortable step at a time. Your journey of self-belief starts the moment you decide that your voice, your dreams, your potential, are worth fighting for. And if no one has told you this today, then let me be the first. You are capable. You are worthy, and you are allowed to trust yourself. If this story touched you, if it reminded you of your own hidden strength, then hit subscribe. Because more life-changing stories are coming your way. And remember, your journey of self-belief begins now.